wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I know guys, I've been gone for such a long time, but I'm back with another braiding tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I achieve my medium knotless braids. So the first thing I'll need for this video is a gummy edge control, and I would also be using 2 packs of EZ prestreched expression, and I would also be using a rat tail comb to do my partings and everything. Guys, I didn't want to do the sectioning while recording because I just felt like I didn't want this video to be too long. As you guys can see, I have already sectioned my hair, and for me I feel like, you know, using the rubber band method to first section my hair just makes the work easier for me. And yeah, I just find it very easy because then when I'm braiding my hair, I don't have to be parting it all the time. But once it's got the rubber bands in, I can literally just remove them and go ahead and braid my hair. So because it's knotless braids, I'm definitely going to remove the rubber bands when I start braiding the hair. But yeah. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and literally braided the back of my hair. Guys, I know I should have shown you guys how I achieved the back of my hair, but literally where I am, the space is actually so limited, like, to record. So I just went off camera and literally I went off camera to literally braid most of my hair. So I'm gonna show you 1 or 2 plaits on how I achieved my knotless braids. So I literally just used a different edge control because I felt like it's more, you know, softer for me to use on my hair, whereas the gummy was a bit too, like, I don't know, gummy is just sometimes too hard. So I just went ahead and used that edge control, which I'll put in the description box below. So I'm just gonna start braiding my hair. First of all, I'm gonna section my hair into 3 because that's how I'm going to literally start braiding it. So I go ahead and start braiding it, like I braid like maybe 3 times before I go ahead and start adding the extensions. And for me, because you want the hair to look very natural, I just literally braid it like 3 times. Some people do it like 1 time or 2 times, but I think it all depends. So I'm using the top tucking method. I don't know if this makes sense, guys, but I've got 2 different ways on how I braid my knotless braids. I either use the under tucking method or the top tucking method. And on my left side, I don't know how to use the under tucking method, so I use the top tucking method. I don't know if this makes sense, guys, but I'm gonna try and do a video where I will try and explain what I'm talking about. The top tucking method, I can only do that on the left side of my head, and then on the right side of my head I can do the under tucking method. I can also do the top tucking method, but I just can't do it on my left side. I hope this makes sense, guys. It's so hard to explain when you're doing your own hair because I feel like I just want to braid it, get up and go. But when you're trying to explain it, it's just so hard. So I literally just go ahead and braid it all the way. I'm doing hip length knotless braids, so it's actually long. So I'm just gonna keep adding the hair, and as you can see, I put the hair on my mouth, in my mouth, just because it's long and I need to be able to braid it all the way to the end. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna be a bit more detail on this one. So literally, guys, the same thing, just, you know, just watch and learn and take some tips and notes. I don't know, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. But yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna stop talking throughout this one and I'm just gonna allow you guys to watch. Actually, guys, for this part I need to talk a bit. So I'm literally sectioning the hair that I'm going to use. As you guys can see, I'm literally picking up like tiny bit of expression, like literally tiny bit, and that's what I will be using. I think I had like 8 pieces or 9 pieces of what I'm going to use. It all depends on how long you want your hair. The longer you want your hair, the thicker you want your hair, the more you need to keep adding. So that's how I section the expression and how I'm going to use it. Because if you're braiding your hair yourself, make sure you always section the hair first, especially if you're doing knotless. If you're doing like normal box braids or whatever, you only need the hair once, unless if you're doing it longer. So yeah, so I literally had like at least 9 pieces of expression that I'll be adding as I go along, but just for I should let you guys know. So I'm going to braid my hair with the other side of the expression like 3 times, while the other side of the expression is literally left out. Now I'm going to go ahead and tuck in that other expression into my hair, and I would literally braid it together like, let's say 3 times again. Then I'll go ahead and add another expression. You can also do this like twice when you're braiding your hair with the expression, depending on how thick you want the hair. So you braid, I don't know if that makes sense. So depending on how thick you want the hair, so if you want the hair thick and you want to keep adding expression, so you're literally going to braid it like 1 time, then add extension. But if you feel like the hair is already thick enough, you literally braid it 3 times or 4 times, then add expression. Sorry guys, at that point my hands were hurting. Like, doing your hair yourself is hard, but it's worth it, because I was not thinking to go pay money, and I've been thinking to do my hair for such a long time, and I was fed up with just, you know, gelling my hair up, and I don't want to lose any more hair. So I just decided to sacrifice and do my hair. So yeah, but yeah guys, so like I was explaining, literally it's all about the tucking, it's all about how tight your grip is. And if you can already braid, I guess it will be much more easier for you guys. But yeah, so literally all you do is keep tucking the hair. The thicker you want it, the longer you want it. That's why I separated the expression into 9. So I'm literally just gonna keep tucking it. The way I tuck in my hair, or the way I add expression to the braiding, is very weird, but I hope you guys get it. I'll try and do a tutorial on a wig or on someone else one of these days. I promise you guys, I will try it. Okay, please don't beat me, please don't beat me, but I am trying. But yeah guys, let's keep going. By the way guys, I started doing my hair around like almost 10 o'clock at night UK time, and I literally finished my hair around 3. So I'm guessing it took me like around 6 hours to literally do this, and I'm so proud of myself. Like I'm literally so happy. But yeah, yeah, I guess I wasn't that tired because I slept anyways. So yeah, I went ahead and also dipped my hair in hot water. Make sure you always put the ends in hot water. It just helps to like basically lock the hair and make it last, and it doesn't loose out. I don't know if that's the right explanation for it, but just make sure you dip it in hot water. And I went ahead and used mousse. Mousse basically just helps that like any fluffy hair or tiny hair that is just being nosy and sticking out and all of that, it just lays it down. And I went ahead and used hairspray, and this is an olive oil hairspray. But yeah, so guys, this is the final look. You know, this is the final look. This is on a Sunday morning. Decided to do my makeup, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys love my hair, because I love it. So this was after church. I decided to show you guys the length, you know, but you know when you're recording by yourself sometimes it's really hard. So this is the length and this is the back. By the way guys, I did not use a mirror when I did my hair for the back. I did not use a mirror because I'm a witch like that. But yeah guys, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.